Hi student. Till now we have discussed our differential equation, in which till now we have seen degree in order of differential equation. Then we have solved problems of to find out differential equation by given curves. And then after that, in our last videos, we have discussed our topics to solution of differential equation, in which we have discussed the method of variable and separable. We have done lots of problems based on our variable separable method. And then in our last 2-3 videos, we have discussed the problems. It's based on homogeneous equation. Again, when we start our differential equation, then we have started. I am discussed with you about step of method to solve. Then we have I am saying that we are put y equal to vx, or also we can put x equal to vy. But unfortunately, I am taking the problems which are mostly based on y equal to vx. Then I am trying to take in this video. I am going to try to take some problems in which we are able to take x equal to y equal to vx, then x equal to yv. Then without wasting our time, we are going to start with our topic. It's a what? We are going to start with our problem. It's a one of the we are going to start with our problems, our differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Now look, our first problem is we have to solve dy dx. What we have to solve dy dx is equal to y by x. Again, it's a problem of y equal to dx, but I am taking that y by x minus cot y by x into cos y by x given that y is equal to 5 by 4. Now look, I have one of the problem of differential equation. Look, it's a I am not going to verify here how it's homogeneous. Till now, what questions we have take there. We have, first of all, we are going to show that it's a homogeneous equation, but I am not going to show it's a homogeneous. You can do yourself, but you can see that it's a homogeneous or not. Look, it's seeing the form of it's a y by x and y by x. All the terms containing y by x or x by y. It's obviously it's a homogeneous equation. Now look, first of all, we have to be solve it. Again, it's a form of y by x. Then we are going to start with here. We are going to put y is equal to vx. Now we are going to put our first step is what? Y equal to vx. Therefore, what we have? Then our dy dx is defined as what we have? V plus x dv dx. Now this is our equation. In equation, we are going to put the value of dy dx here. Then our equation is transformed to it's a v plus x dv dx is equal to what is the value of y by x? It's a v. Here we get v minus cot. Here we get v and into cos v. We are going to put the y equal to vx. Mean at the place of y by x we put y by x we put v, and at the place of dy dx we put v plus x dv dx. Now this v and v are cancel out. Now what we have? We have x dv dx is equal to x dv dx is equal to minus cot v into cos v. Now from here we are going to use our separating the variables. From here we are going to separate our variables there. Now look, it's a v containing, it's a dv. Then what we have? We have dv upon cot v into cos v is equal to, here it's a minus sign, dx by x. Now what we do from here? Now our variables are separate, then we are going to be integrate our both sides. Integrating both sides. Now what we do? We are going to integrating our both sides. Then what we have? Look here we are going to solve it. It's a cot v into cos v. What is beta? It's a sin v upon cos v. Sorry, it's a cos v upon sin v. Cos v into cos v. We have cos square v and sin v is in the upper part. Then sin v upon cos v, it's a tan v and 1 upon cos v into sec v. Means after using our trigonometry identities, the cot v into cos v can be written as it's a what? Tan v into sec v. Then integration of sec v into tan v dv equal to minus integration of dx by x. Now what we get? We get here sec v. Here we get minus log x plus c. Now we get integrate. We get our integrate it's what we get? We get it's a what? Sec v equal to minus log x plus c. Now at the place of v, what we have to put? We have to put y by x. Then it's a sec y by x equal to minus log x plus c. It's a sec y by x minus log x plus c. But we have to be use the condition. We have been given that what is we have given that at y equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. We have to find out the value of c. Y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. Then we get sec pi by 4 here. In our left hand side sec pi by 4. We are going to put here what? Y is equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. Then the value of log 1 is 0. It's a 0. Then we get c is equal to sec pi by 4. Sec 45. What we get? Yes, it's a root 2. Now our equation, this equation is turns to sec y by x equal to minus log x plus root 2. This is our required solution. This is our required solution. I am just going to again revise again. We have a problem. What we have? We have dy by dx equal to y by x minus cot y by x into cos y by x. Since it's in the form of y by x, then obviously it's a homogeneous. Then we have to use our steps of homogeneous method. We are going to put y equal to vx, then dy by dx equal to v plus x dv dx. Then we have v plus x dv dx equal to v minus cot v into cos v. Then it's v and v cancel out, and x dv dx equal to minus cot v into cos v. Then we are going to separate our variables. After separating variables, we have integration of sec v into tan v dv is equal to minus integration of dx by x. Then taking integration of both sides, here we get sec v equal to minus log x plus c. Then putting the at the place of v, what we put? We put y by x. Then our solution is what? It's a sec y by x minus log x plus c. Then we have put the condition y equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. Then we get our required result. What do we get? The value of c is under root 2. Then we get sec y by x equal to minus log x plus root 2. Sec y by x equal to minus log x plus root 2. Now we are going to take another example. Look, now we are going to take problems. What I am saying to you, I am going to take first of all the problems which contain x by y format. Look, take it's our NCERT problem as well as our board problem. Solve 1 plus. Solve 1 plus e to power x by y dx plus e to power x by y 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Look, now till now we have discussed the problem. which is in which we are going to put y equal to vx. Now look, I am going to take another problem in which now it's a here what we get y by x. Now we get x by y. Here x by y 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, x by y 1 minus 1 0. It's a homogeneous equation. I am roughly check it. You can also check it by method. It's a homogeneous. Now this is our homogeneous equation, but it's not in the form of y by x. Here it's in the form of x by y. Look, whenever we have a form of y by x, then we put y equal to vx. But when we have homogeneous equation in the form of x by y, then we take x equal to vy. X equal to vy. Then here what we take? First of all, we have to write it in standard form. Now our dy dx. Our dy dx is cancelled as we are going to shift it. Then dy by dx means it's a 1 plus e to power x by y divided by e to power x by y, and it's a minus. Then we have x absorbing minus. Then we have x by y minus 1. Now you can check it. Now after transforming, what we have our look now look up. We have to be it's a convert in our dx by, because here x by y. Then whenever we have x by y, then our format what? It's in a dx by dy. Then it's putting here. Then our dx by dy, we have a dx by dy. Then what we have? E to power x by y absorbing minus. Then x by y minus 1, and it's divided 1 plus e to power x by y. Now look, when we have x by y, you have to be notice that when we have exponent x by y or x by y, then our standard form is here we always take dy by dx, but now it's a dx by dy. Now it's our in the standard form dx by dy is given by e to power x by xy minus 1 upon 1 plus e to power x by. Now it's a form of dx by dy of or fxy. Now we have to put what? We put x equal to, here we have to put x equal to vy. Now here we have to put what? Put x equal to vy. Then what is our dx dy? Then our here dx dy is equal to v plus we have to respect in the terms of y. Then v dd of y1, v plus then y dv dy. Look, now it's same. What we have? dx dy is given by, it's a v plus y dv dy. Now look again. Now we are going to change it. This is our 1. This is our 2. This is our 1. This is our 2. Now we are going to using equation 1 and 2. Then our problem is reduced to what we have? We have here v plus y dv dy, v plus y dv dy is equal to, it's e to power v. Here we get v minus 1. Also we can 1 plus e to power v, or I don't know, 1 plus e to power v. Now we have to transpose this v here. Then what we have? Now our v dv dy is equal to e to power v. I'm going to write down, it's a multiply with v into e to power v minus e to power v. And when we are transposing this v is minus v and taking LCM, then what we have? Minus v into e to power v upon 1 plus e to power v. Look again, I am going to revise how can we get this. We are transposing this v to our right hand side and taking LCM with 1 plus e to power v, and our whole right hand side is what? V into e to power v minus e to power v minus v plus minus v to power v. Now what we see that our these terms are cancel out. Our these terms are cancel out. We have minus e to power v and minus v. Now we can write down what we have. We have only minus e to power v minus v. We can now what we have? We have y dv dy. Y dv dy is equal to take minus common, then we have v plus e to power v divided by 1 plus e to power v. Now now it's further we cannot solve. Then now here from here we have to be separate our variables. After separating variables, what we have? 1 plus e to power v, v plus e to power v dv, and this is our minus dy by y. Now our variables are separate. Now what do we have to do? From here we have to be integrating our both sides, then what we have? Look, now we are going to integrate it. Look, v plus e to power v. When we are going to take our v plus e to power v, then what we get? 1 plus e to power v dv. Now also you can look here. It's of the form of, this is our fx and this is our f dash x. I have already told you, if we have a form of fx, f dash x to fx dx, then what is our integration? Our integration what? It's a log fx. Then here we get, using this technique, our integration is what? It's our log v plus e to power v. Look, here we get, it's a log y. Now look, we get both terms logs, and our constant is also what? It's a log c. Now what we have? Log v plus e to power v, and here we can write down, it's a log, it's a minus log m means c upon y. Then finally what we have? We have v plus e to power v is equal to plus minus cy. Now we get our solution there, but look what we have, we can also just write down plus minus c as by c1 there. It's no, don't we need to be taking plus minus, but we can take plus minus here. Now what do we get? Then finally we have to put in our last step is now it remains our last step, because we cannot take our solution in the terms of v. We have to be change. Look, what we have to change here? V from here, because we put x equal to vy, then we have to put what at the place of v, x by y. Then our final solution is what? X by y plus e to power x by y is equal to, we can take plus minus here as a c1 by y. This is our required solution. What is your required solution? X by y plus e to power x by y equal to, also can we multiply with this or y. We can also change our this solution by multiplying this. Then our equation also can be reduced to a, we can multiply with it, then our solution is what? X plus y into e to power x by y is equal to c1. This is our required solution. Just look, I'm just going to revise you again this problem. What we have discussed till now, look, we have from here we take a problem which is in the format of dx by dy. Have our real question. Now it's a dx, it's given dx by dy equal to e to power x by into x by y minus 1 upon 1 plus e to power x by. Then it's a form of dx by dy. Then we are going to put x equal to vy. Then we have finally dx by dy equal to v plus y in dv dy. Putting the value of dx dy here, and at the place of x by y v. Now our equation reduced to v plus y dv dy equal to v to power v minus 1 upon 1 plus e to power v. Then now this v, transposing this v, and after solving, what do we have? Y dv dy is equal to v into e to power v minus e to power v minus v into e to power v upon 1 plus e to power v. This and these terms are cancelled to each other. Then finally what we have? Y dv dy is equal to minus, taking out minus common there, minus v plus e to power v upon 1 plus e to power v. From here we are separate our variables. Then we have 1 plus e to power v plus e to power v dv is equal to minus dy by y. Then we are going to integrate our both sides. After integrating both sides, we get log mod of v plus e to power v equal to minus log y plus log c. Then it's again log mod of v plus e to power v equal to log mod of c by y. Then finally what we get v plus e to power v equal to plus minus cy. After that we are going to put the value of at the place of v x by y. Then the final solution is what? X equal to y into e to power x upon y is equal to c1. This is our solution. Now look, we are going to take again a problem based on dx by dy format. Look, what is our next problem? It's again a board problem. Solve the equation. We have again it's again a format of dx by dy. 2y e to power x by y dx plus y minus 2x e to power xy dy equal to 0. Look, what we have the problem? We have a problem is what? 2y into e to power x by y dx plus y minus 2x into e to power xy dx. Now again, look, it's again x by y there. Then we have to change our problem in the standard form dx by dy. Then what is our dx by dy? Dx by dy is equal to, again shifting this, dy. Then what we have? It's a minus. Then we have, this is positive here. Then 2x into e to power x by y minus y upon 2y into e to power x by y. Look up. Now it is in our standard homogeneous form dx by dy 2x. We can cancel out this 2 and 2. We can we cannot cancel out because this is only 2 here. And look, we have it's a y into e to power x by y. This is x by y. This is our x by y. Here we get only y there. I hope so. We have to be. It's a little bit mistake there. We can again check out our solution there. Solve the equation is what? 2y into e to power xy dx plus y minus 2x into e to power xy dy equal to 0. Then we have our format is what? Dx by dy equal to 2x into e to power xy minus y and 2y into e to power x by y. Then we have look up 2x into e to power x by y. Then look again we can further solve it. It's a right question. Then look, it's because if this y is giving a little bit difficulty, we have to, then we have to remove this y. Then look what we have to do. It's about take out y from common there. Then when we are going to take y from common here, then it's a y. Then what do we have? X by y, 2x by y into e to power x by y. Here we get minus 1 and 2y into e to power x by y. Look, this y and y cancel out. Then what do we have? Our dx by dy is what? It's this y and y cancel out. Then we have 2 into x by y into e to power x by y minus 1 and we have 2 into e to power x by y. Look now, it is our standard form now, x by y, 2 into x by y e to power x by y minus 1, 2 into e to power x by y. Look, now we get our standard form 2x by y into e to power x by y minus 1 into 2 e to power x y. Then we don't need of this. Now we get our standard form. Then what we have? Again, look, it's a dx by dy. Then we have to put what? Put here x equal to vy Then what is our dx dy? Dx dy is given by v plus, what we get? V plus y dv dy. Now this is our 1, this is 2. Using 1 and 2, what do we get? We get here v plus y dv dy is equal to, we get here v, 2 into v, this is e to power v minus 1, 2 into e to power v. Now look, we are again going to shift our v and solving it. Then what we have? We have y into dv dy is equal to 2v e to power v minus, this is our v, minus v into minus 2v into e to power v, and look, we have forget this minus 1, minus 1 upon 2 e to power v. Now after solving, what we have? We have y into dv dy is equal to, this is cancel out, then we have minus 1 upon 2 e to power v. Now we are going to separate our variables. Then what finally we have 2 e to power v dv is equal to minus dy by y, minus dy by y. Now after separating variables, what we have? We have what? 2 e to power v dv is equal to minus dy by y. Then what we have? Again we have to be integrate both sides. Integrating both sides, then what do we have? Integration of, take out 2 common there, e to power v dv is equal to minus integration of dy by y. Then sorry, it's a e to power v. Then what do we get integration here? It's a e to power v, 2 into e to power v equal to minus log y plus c. Now put the value at the place of v. What do we put? We have to put x by y. Then 2 into e to power x by y equal to minus log y plus c. This is our required solution of given differential equation. What do we have? 2 e to power y minus log y plus c. Look, again I'm going to revise you. What do we have exactly problem? We have it's one of the board problem. We have to solve this. It's a 2y into e to power x by y is equal to into dx plus y minus 2x into e to power xy. dy, what is your? First of all, look, we have e to power x by y, then we have to be transfer our given equation in the form of dx by dy. Then what we put? We put dx by dy is equal to what? We put 2x into e to power x by y minus y and 2y into e to power xy. Again we are solving it, take out this y common and cancel from this y. Then our equation is now, it's a form of 2x by y into e to power x by y minus 1 divided by 2 into e to power x by y. Then since it's in the form of dx by dy, then we have to put here x equal to vy. Putting x equal to vy, then our dx dy is given by v plus y into dv dy. Then this is our 1, this is our equation 2. From 2 we are going to put here dx dy equal to what? V plus y dv dy, and at the place of x by y we are going to put v, then we have 2 into v, this is our e to power v minus 1 divided by 2 e to power v. Then we are going to transpose our this v to our right hand side and taking with LCM, then we have y dv by dy is equal to 2 v e to power v, this is minus v to 2 e to power v, and this is our minus 1. These terms are cancelled out to each other. Now these terms are cancelled out to each other. Then what do we have? Then we have y into dv dy equal to minus 1 upon 2 e to power v. Separating our variables, and after separating variables we have finally 2 integration of e to power v dv is equal to minus integration of dy by y. Then integration of e to power v is e to power v, and it's a log y minus log y plus c. Then minus log mod of y plus c. Then and last at the place of v, what do we put? We put, since we put x equal to vy to solve, then at the place of v we have to put x by y. Then here we get 2 e to power x by y minus log mod y plus c. Look, this is enough for today class. Today I am discussing a problem based on our format of dx by dy, and please at your home revise such problems which is on the based on the format dx by dy from homogeneous format. Then if all of you find out any difficulty, then ask me. Thanks to all.